how to add text in Photopea. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to add text in Photopea. Alright, so let's begin. The first thing what we want to do is just have an object or picture or whatever in layer here, and then go to type tool selection and create your typing tool. So now what I'm going to do, I will write here, new video is coming soon. What I'm going to do now, I will just increase the size of it like this. It's like really simple, really intuitive. Now what I'm going to do, I can change the font. There's so many fonts here that you can use. So I got here. Now you can change the bold, etc. But you can go with the right click on it. This is really cool. Go with the blending options and you can choose the stroke. This is pretty cool thing I was using also in Photoshop. Go with the stroke and do you see the stroke around? It's pretty cool. Now stroke OK. Here is the color and you can change like to white, I don't know probably. And you can increase the size and you can go with the position to inside, but I recommend outside. And the next thing I want to show you is this outer glow. This is like pretty cool for every text to use. Go with the opacity to 100, go with the color white, and now go with the spread and size. You will see neon white outer glow, which is really cool. And you have a many layer styles that you can play around with. So that's basically how you can add text in Photopea. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.